Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video of mine. In today's video I will be talking about some oils, yes, hair oils, body oils, different sorts of oils which is really good for this winter season. So just stay tuned and keep watching. Now the first thing which I'm going to talk about is Soulflower's olive oil. This is it guys, I hope you can see this. And this is Soulflower's Coldpressed career oil, pure and natural. I have been using this oil lot of times in my DIYs. If you have seen it, personally I use it a lot. And how I use it, I'm going to tell you that. You can see the bottle is half empty and it's a very good olive oil. A bit expensive, I'm telling you the price. The price is rupees 350 and the shelf life of this particular product is 2 years. I'm telling the date also, till December 2019 you can use this. Now guys, how I use this olive oil, I must tell you that first. As my hair is very dry, most of you know this. So yes, I try different shampoos and at times my hair also need nourishment. So instead of putting coconut oil on my hair, that time I use olive oil. Now I have this olive oil, I'm using this olive oil. I just massage my hair very nicely and I keep it for 40 minutes like that only. Let the oil sit on my hair and then I shampoo it with very mild shampoo or with any normal shampoo also. Let me be very honest, whatever comes in front of my hand, because I have faith in this olive oil. Now after that, you will find a huge difference in your hair. Your hair becomes soft, smooth, voluminous also. You can just give it a try. It's just a tip from my end to all of you. Now this olive oil you can use in your body also. This olive oil is a little bit sticky. What you can do, you can just add a little bit olive oil and add a little bit coconut oil. Coconut oil which can be used on your body. Mix it very well and apply on your body and see how your body is well moisturized this winter. So this body oil can be used on your hair, on your body. So that is it. And if you want to try it on in DIYs, obviously you can use it. You can use it on your face if you have a very dry face. A simple thing, apply this olive oil on your face and let it sit for 15 minutes and then wash it with lukewarm water, not warm water. It's very little hot water, lukewarm water, and wash it with that and feel the difference. Your skin will be moisturized at least for 5-6 hours. I can just tell you that. Now guys, this is another oil. This oil is made by me and the full procedure, how I made it, a detailed video is there. I'll put the link up there if you really want to know this, because I didn't expect this oil to last for a so long time. And I remember I used extra virgin coconut oil and orange. That's the reason the color is so orangey. It doesn't smell too good, I'm telling you that, but it is really working on my skin and I hope it works for you too. So this is the color as you can see, and I actually don't want to dip my hands. I use a dropper, but right now I don't have a dropper, so I just want to show you because I have made it. So this is the thing, and if you just use this oil on a regular basis, this oil can be used on your face also. Whatever ingredients I have given, you can see, you can tell this that this is I will not say it's an essential oil, but it is all obviously infused orange oil which everybody can make in their house. So this is what, nothing is left. You can see little bit I took and my hand is quite well moisturized and no stickiness is there. So it absorbs quickly on your hands, on your face, wherever you put, but don't apply it on your head because it is not meant for your hair, it is meant for the face. and body, and it is really nice. Once you prepare this one, I believe it can stay. If it is staying till 8-9 months, it can stay. You can preserve this at least for at least for 1 year. So I'll put the link up there so that you guys can check it out if you like it. Not only extra virgin oil and orange is there, lot of other stuff is also inside this to make it more good. The goodness should be there, right? That's the reason, guys. The bottle was up till here, but I kept on using, especially in winter season, obviously. But what I do basically with this oil, suppose I'm taking some moisturizer, I put 2 drops in it, and again I moisturize my whole body. I hope you understand what I'm telling. I am just thinking my microphone is working or not. This one is new and I don't know whether it is working or not. I'm a bit tensed. So anyways, guys, I'm just telling that how you can use this particularly. This is a very light oil, as you can see. It doesn't have a very thick texture like this. It is a very light oil, so easily you can use it with your moisturizer or your any lotion which you like. So in this way I use this one. I hope you will see the full video and know how to use it properly. So guys, this is the next product. This is the Max Care Virgin Coconut Oil, Cold Pressed Virgin Coconut Oil, sorry. And the price of this product is Rs 375. You will be getting 500 ml of product in it, and it is written best best before 24 months from the date of packaging. So here the date of packaging is showing 12th March 2018. That means within 2020 you have to empty this bottle. That's a quite good period. You are having almost 2 years in your hands, right, to use this product. It's a good shelf life this product is having. And how this product can be used, you can use this in your body, on your body, on your hair. And if you want really a detailed review of this product, I will put the link up there so that you can just have a detailed review about this product contains, and many more other things you will get to know about this product. So just don't forget to hit that link. I have heard lot about Patanjali's coconut oil. I have used only the upton of Patanjali, and that is really good. I will review it one day how I use it. But by the way, now I am going to talk about this product. This is Patanjali's coconut oil, and you will get it at ₹75, and the product quantity is 200 ml, and whatever is written, I'm not reading everything because in those other products I didn't read out anything, but it is a good coconut oil. You have to use it before 15th month of packaging. Now this oil is edible. It is written over here. I don't know whether you can see it or not, that it is edible. That means you can use it for cooking. Yes, in Kerala people use coconut oil for cooking, and their food tastes really good. I love it. Now it's written here, it's free from argemone oil. It's an edible vegetable oil. Now seeing this one, I have a question that can it be used on your hair and body, because I don't know, I was just going through this product, nowhere it is written that you can use it in your hair, on your body. Then obviously I have to take help from YouTube. Everyone is telling that you can use it on your hair and body. So yes, you can use this product on your hair as well as on your body, because coconut oil is really very moisturizing, and this brand is famous for this oil. And I think, see now, any oil, it can be used to reduce split ends. I have a video where I cut we all have problems with our split ends. Now how to deal with it? Before going to bed, just take few drops of anything, few drops of coconut oil or few drops of olive oil, and put it at the end of your hair and just go to sleep and get up the next morning, you'll find the difference. Now before going to sleep, take little bit of coconut oil, okay, and put it around your nails to get soft cuticles. This is tip number 2. Winter season means cracked heels, and this is a major problem. So how to deal with it? It is very simple. You can use coconut oil for this and use baking soda for this. You will as easily get it from the nearby shops, the local shops, and make a mixture of this and just scrub your feet and then wipe it nicely, and then before going to bedtime you can use coconut oil and put a socks around it. Now get up the next morning and feel the difference. This was my tip number 3. To avoid dark circles, you need to use the virgin coconut oil. I'm not telling you to buy this and use, but whatever virgin coconut oil you are having, you need to take it and pat it around under your eyes so that you will not be having the under eye circles, under eye dark circles. But don't think that today I'm putting it, tomorrow all my dark circles will go away. It doesn't happen like that. And one more important thing with this coconut oil, you can use also do one job which I have done in my video, that you can easily make a good coffee scrub with coconut oil and just scrub it and see the difference. Thanks for watching this video of mine, and if you have liked this video, no, I'm not going to say anything anymore. Apply this oils if you have. If you do not have, you don't have to purchase. You can make oil in the house. I have given the links also, and whatever things are available in the market, you can use that. And loads of love. Tata, take care, be safe.